Hello everyone. So this is the question from exercise set 2.3. Let's see. A student has 500 rupees in her savings bank account. She gets 150 rupees every month as pocket money. How much money will she have at the end of every month from second month onwards? Find the linear expression of to represent the amount she will have in the nth month. So what are they saying? A student has 500 rupees initially in her bank account. That means total amount is rupees 500 initially. Okay. Then she gets 150 rupees next month as the pocket money added to this account. That means if we say this is month and this is the amount. So at 0th month, she has, at first month, she has 500 rupees. At first month, she has 500 rupees initially. Okay, so in her account, when first time she will get 150 rupees, how much it will be? 500 plus 150, correct? Then on second month, 500 plus 150 plus 150. On third month, 500 plus 150 plus 150 plus 150. Is it correct? 150 will be added to this initial amount. So, I can say this. In first month, we say let the amount be x. The new adding amount, let it be x. Since we have to find the algebraic expression, the linear expression. So, we can say total of the account is equal to in first month is 500. Then in second month it is 500 plus x. If I consider this x, in next month it will be 500 plus 2x. Then in next month it will be 500 plus 3x and so on. So in the nth month, how much amount it will be? 500 plus nx. So this is a linear algebraic expression for the nth month. So if someone say what will be the total amount at the end of 50th month. So we can, what we can do, 500 plus 50, x is 150 and we can get the total amount. One thing that you need to remember that the graph of linear expression is goes to linear like this. So as the time increases, the amount will increase with a uniform interval between them. So here the difference is 150. 0 first month, second month, third month, fourth month. And here we can say 150, 300, 450. So first month is here, second month is here, third month is here. So this will be a linear graph. This is the graph for linear expression. Hello everyone. So here is the question number 6 from set exercise set 2.2. A farmer cuts a 300 feet fence into two pieces of different sizes. The longer piece is 4 times as long as the shortest piece. How long are the two pieces? So what it is saying that there is a piece of fence of wire whose length is 300 feet. That means total length is 300. Okay. The longer piece is 4 times the shorter piece. That means let the shorter piece be
x. Then longer piece will be 4 times of shorter piece. That means 4 into x, and the sum of these both is 300. Correct? That means 4x plus x equals to 300. 5x equals to 300. 5 will go in divide. 300 by 5. 5 6 are 30. This implies x equals to 60 feet. That means shorter piece is of 60 feet, and then longer piece is equal to 4x. That means 4 into 60, 240 feet. And if we sum both of these, 240 plus 60 is equal to 300 feet. Correct? Which is the total length. That means our answer is correct. So you got it, how to calculate it. Now let's see the next example. If the length of a rectangle has two things, one is length and the one is width. If the length of the rectangle is twice its width, this is length and this is width. Length is equal to 3 more than twice its width. That means 3 more than means 3 plus, किसके 3 plus? Twice of its width. Width के 3 plus, twice of its width. Width का twice, तो width का twice. Okay, and its perimeter is 24 centimeter. Perimeter is given, that is 24 centimeter. And what is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2L plus 2 length plus breadth. Correct? Sum of all the sides. So we can put here 24 equals to 2 into what is the length? 3 into twice of width. So let the width be x. Let width equals to x. Make it simple. Okay, that means 2x. So I can say length is 3 plus 2x and width is x. This implies 24 equals to 3 plus 3x. This 2 is in multiplication with both. So 24 equals to 6 plus 6x. Correct? Now 24 minus 6, this will come here and subtract from 24. How much it will be? 18. 18 equals to 6x. That means 3. X equals to 3. That means width is equal to 3 centimeter, since perimeter is given here in centimeter. So width is equal to x. X is 3. That means 3 centimeter. And then length is equal to 3 plus 2x. 3 plus 2x. X is 3. 3 2 is 6. 6 3 is 6. 3 2 is 6. 9 centimeter. That means length is 9 centimeter. Now we can check is answer correct or not. Put all the values in this. This you have to do in rough, just to verify your answer. So 2 into L plus W. L क्या है? L is 9 and W is 3. 9 plus 3, 12. And 12 to the 24. That means our answer is correct. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now we will move on to next 2.3 exercise. If there is any questions, you can comment and we will solve. Hello everyone. So here is question number 5 from exercise set 2.3. I have left question number 4 for you people because it is same as question number 3. Okay. They have given a rectangle and we have to calculate its volume, where the length is fixed and breadth is fixed, the height is changing. It is same as question number 3. आप लोग उसको खुद सॉल्व करें एंड इफ नहीं होता है तो मेरे को बताएं इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, देन वी विल सॉल्व इट टुगेदर. So let's come to this question. Sarita is reading a book of 500 pages. She reads 20 pages every day. how many pages will be left after 15 days. Express this as a linear pattern. So what are they saying? Total number of pages in the books are 500 and 20 pages she is reading every day. After 15 days, how many of the pages are left? So if we calculate how many pages she has read in 15 days, then we can calculate how many pages are left. Now, total number of pages equals to 500. She reads 20 pages every day. So, if we say फर्स्ट डे पर 0 डे पर शी हैज 500 पेजेस, ठीक है. फर्स्ट डे पे उसने पढ़ा, सो 500 माइनस 20 कितने बचे? 480. सेकेंड डे पे उसने पढ़ा 500 माइनस 20 करेक्ट. कितना बचा? 460. थर्ड डे पे उसने पढ़ा 500 माइनस 20 इक्वल्स टू 440. I can say this 500 minus 20, 500 minus 20 into 2 times 20 here. 500 minus 20 into 3 times 20 is here. That means these are the number of days, correct? 1, 2, 3, these are the number of days. We can say left pages after 15 days equals to 500 minus 20 into 15. Is it okay? समझ में आया सबको? 500 में से टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेजेस में से हम माइनस कर देंगे जितना भी उसने 15 दिन में पढ़ा है. दैट इज 500 माइनस 15 into 20, 300. दैट मीन्स 200 पेजेस आर लेफ्ट हर टू रीड. नाउ एक्सप्रेस दिस एज अ लीनियर एक्सप्रेशन. सो लीनियर एक्सप्रेशन आप इसका बना सकते हैं आराम से, कोई इशू नहीं है. 500 माइनस क्या चेंज हो रहा है? ये कांस्टेंट है, ये कांस्टेंट है, नंबर ऑफ डेज चेंज हो रहे हैं बस, राइट. 500 माइनस 20 x इक्वल्स टू नंबर ऑफ पेजेस लेफ्ट. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. इफ देयर इज एनी क्वेश्चन, एनी इश्यूज यू आर फेसिंग, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, लैंग्वेज का इशू है या जैसा भी आपको इशू है, फास्ट है, स्लो है, आप मेरे को बता सकते हैं. वी विल देन प्रोसीड अकॉर्डिंग टू इट. ओके, थैंक यू.